Sekarang saya akan ke sebuah tempat yang bernama Mint Museum of Toys atau Museum Mainan Mint, yang merupakan kepanjangan dari Moments of Imagination and Nostalgia with Toys. Karena mainan-mainan yang dipajang di museum ini bukan untuk dimainkan, melainkan untuk mengajak para pengunjungnya bernostalgia ke masa kecil mereka. Penasaran kan seperti apa? Ayo kita masuk sekarang. Museum Mainan Mint berdiri sejak tahun 2007. Museum ini berisi 50.000 buah koleksi yang jika diakumulasi bernilai lebih dari 5 juta dolar Singapura. Museum Mainan Mint berisi koleksi mainan masa lalu yang sangat ekstensif, langka, dan unik, mencakup sejumlah memorabilia Disney yang langka. Ya, sekarang saya sedang berada di Mint Museum of Toys atau museum khusus untuk mainan, di mana ada 8.000 buah mainan yang berasal dari 40 negara.
I remember the way you glanced at me as I remember.
So Richard, I noticed that some of the collectibles are historically very important. Can you tell me a little bit about
Okay, for example, you see up there the 3 little nigger boys or 5 little nigger boys.
Little nigger boys.
And 3 gollywogs. Okay, these are racist items.
Racist items, yeah.
They are banned today because nigger is a word you cannot use anymore.
Yeah, exactly.
And gollywogs also is a bad slang word. Okay, gollywog is from England.
What does it mean, gollywogs, actually?
Probably golly means jolly, happy, but wogs is a bad slang word for nigger, black,
African-American or-
for black. So something they're not allowed today. And what we have here are quite a mixed range. Look at the Darky.
Yeah.
Okay, it's actually a toothpaste from England.
Yeah, I noticed this is actually called Darlie today, right?
Yes.
But is this like some kind of joke, or were they really actually called Darky at the
They
time?
actually call it Darky. What they wanted to do was to have a black face contrast with white shining teeth. A very good idea to sell a toothpaste, right?
That's
For
right.
brightening your teeth. But because of racists, so they have to remove the K and put the letter L today. It's called Darlie. Now, if you look at your Darlie tooth box today,
It's not black
lens
anymore.
become white.
Yeah, that's true. Well, this is probably not really racism. That's just a marketing strategy, right?
yeah, but because of racists, they can't even use that.
Yeah, of course. Menarik sekali. Jadi museum ini juga banyak sekali merumahkan mainan dari seluruh dunia, terutama Amerika dan Eropa, yang sudah tidak boleh lagi ada di sana karena mengandung nilai-nilai rasisme.
As I remember all the things that we shared and the promise we made, just you and I. I remember.
So I heard you have some toys from the World War II?
Yes, like the one up there. There's General MacArthur.
General MacArthur of the United States
He's the
Allied.
chief of Allied Forces during World War II.
Chief of
Or the
Allied Forces.
Allied Forces in
Yeah.
World War II. Yeah.
Jadi selama 7 tahun dari tahun 1945 sampai 1952, di mana Jepang baru saja menyerah kepada Amerika dan sekutunya di Perang Dunia II, semua mainan yang dicetak dan dibuat di Jepang harus mendapatkan stamp di atasnya yang bertuliskan Made in Occupied Japan.
When we caught a shooting star, yes I remember. When we were dancing in the rain in that December.
Richard, what is your oldest collection in the building?
This is the oldest toy we have here. It's called the tumbling toy.
A tumbling toy
It's from the year 1840s.
from China, I'm guessing.
From Germany. It's made
Oh,
in Germany.
Germany.
But it shows Chinese acrobat, and we have 2 versions of it, the male version and the female version.
Oh wow! Why was it made in Germany, but it's about actually a Chinese toy?
I guess in those days they always make, Chinese are always acrobats, so they just
Okay.
use as a theme.
Okay, wow, that's wonderful. Hampir 170 tahun mainan yang baru saja ditunjukkan. Tua sekali ya. Berkunjung ke museum ini, Anda juga akan mendapat banyak informasi menarik seputar sejarah dan asal-muasal mainan masa kecil Anda. Semua mainan dipertontonkan dalam gedung 5 lantai bergaya kontemporer. Setiap sudut memiliki tema sendiri. Selain menampilkan mainan, Museum Mint juga memiliki kafe dan restoran di lantai dasar, lalu kafe dan wine bar di lantai teratas atau rooftop. Kafe tersebut menawarkan suasana rileks namun tetap bergaya. Jangan kemana-mana karena sebentar lagi kita akan ke sana. Perjalanan saya tutup dengan menikmati indahnya angkasa Singapura dari lantai ke-60 gedung kokoh Marina Bay Sands. Dari atas sana, pemandangan 360 derajat akan keindahan kota Singapura dapat Anda nikmati. Halo, sebentar lagi saya akan menyaksikan The Water Show, yaitu sebuah atraksi yang cukup dinantikan oleh wisatawan-wisatawan di Singapura. Kira-kira seperti apa ya? Saya mau cari tempat duduk strategis dulu ah. Wow, indah sekali ya. Water show ini ada setiap hari pukul 8 dan 9 malam waktu setempat di Event Plaza yang merupakan kawasan milik Marina Bay Sands dan pemerintah Singapura. Jadi bisa Anda saksikan secara cuma-cuma. Amanda Cininta, Dimas Prasetyo, Singapura.
Dulu mem, ya dia kabur dulu lagi. Ya.
Aduh, gue udah lucu nih.
Dua.